Specie penal, face. Danko. Chop. Asa. Yo.
Back to school. Back to school.
What's up YouTube channel, it's your boy again. I'm back with another video. So today guys, today
Today we're gonna see if Donald can drive us to the hospital should we get sick one day. So some tester today will be testing with Donald if ever he is ready to be a driver.
Yes sir.
You think you are ready to be a driver?
I think so.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Let's see. We're gonna start lessons now and see Uguti, can he really drive? The car is simple, ne?
Yes sir.
The car is simple. What you need to do, you just need to go R, ne?
Yes.
For reverse, neutral for just standing, and D for drive. And so on. So I'm gonna put it to P, for parking, which means it's standing. Right. Okay. Now it's your turn. Ne? We're going to go. Let's see if we can do this. And I'm gonna go out of the car.
Okay.
What do you want to do now? You want to drive without a steering? What are you trying to do now? Hey, man, this guy's trying to... Don't hold the gear while you're in the passenger seat. You can't do that.
Sorry, sir. Okay, guys, are you ready?
Okay, I'm gonna go in. Okay, go in. I'm coming. Please. Okay, wait for me.
Should I go?
Yeah, you can go. Remove your... Yeah. And then go slowly. Step slowly. I hope you are watching the road. Okay. Okay. Brake. Hey, yeah. You're braking heavily. Okay. No, it's fine.
Oh.
We're still going. I want us to
try and park there.
No. Remove your foot on the gas, on the brake. Yeah. Ingatela kancane. Not kancane. Okay. Okay. Stop. Stop, eh? Okay. You stop, ne?
Yes.
Okay. Let you come this side. Okay, let's go again. Let's go. Where are you going? Control your car.
This side. Oh.
Control your car, sir. Control your car. Okay, you can...
Wait, chill, I know what we're doing, sir.
Okay, don't go to the pavement. Stop. Okay. Stop. Okay, stop. Okay. Put it P.
Yo.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Yes.
Now we mean. So, do you think you can drive?
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fugani, 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 go. City fugani, go.